For today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make cacio e pepe pasta, also known as spaghetti with cheese and black pepper. This is about the simplest pasta recipe you can make. It only requires 3 ingredients: spaghetti, pecorino cheese, and black pepper. Let's get started. Start by bringing water to a boil to cook pasta. Be sure to add a little salt so you don't risk over salty pasta. Don't worry, to give such a taste, there will be pecorino. Cook the spaghetti according to the instructions and prepare to drain them al dente. Meanwhile, grate pecorino cheese and in a large bowl add all the freshly ground cheese and black peppercorns. When it's time to drain the al dente pasta, take the pasta with a slotted spoon and add it directly to the bowl with the grated cheese and black pepper. Using a ladle, take some water from the boil and immediately add it to the bowl. Stir quickly so that the cheese melts with the water and forms a thick and fragrant cream. Serve immediately in a flat dish, sprinkled with freshly ground black pepper and more pecorino if desired. Enjoy your cacio e pepe spaghetti, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more delicious Italian recipes.